What's going on, guys? Let's talk about driving in hazardous conditions right now. We want to make sure we're careful and we take our time. The middle lane is the smooth lane. This is definitely an ice storm. There's sleet and snow. The speed limit here is 70, but I'm about 55 miles an hour. The middle lane is the smooth lane. This is an outside view. If you don't know, I'm a state certified instructor. I teach driver's education, teens and adults. So I decided to put together a video to just educate you about driving in these conditions. I like to be in an open lane or open space, because if you tailgate cars too closely and someone panic stops, you're going to end up being in a multi-car collision. And I'm trying to be as smooth as possible, look ahead. You don't want to squeeze the wheel really hard. You want to definitely take your time. And I'm trying to do that very easily. I'm at about 60 miles an hour, but I'm not trying to get carried away with going really fast. The lane to the left is the fast lane. But in these conditions, you really don't want to be going faster than you have to, because you're going to end up putting yourself and other cars in jeopardy. So you see this truck to the left, usually people with trucks, and I'm not a hater on trucks. I have an SRT Grand Cherokee, but you got to really be more deliberate and safe with your power delivery to the ground. What does this mean? If you have a snow mode or ice mode, you need to shift to that. I'm at about 60 and I'm going to stay at that. The temptation is to go 60, 70, 80, and you're going to end up sliding off the road, crashing. No one wants to be in that situation. So what should you do? How should you drive? Maintain 55 to 60. Look at the conditions on the road. You see other cars merging out. They have spaces. You see this black car forcing that car to the middle lane. I'm staying smooth and constant. Usually people with bigger trucks and cars are going faster, pushing everyone to go faster. I'm staying smooth because I'm aware. I see the blue car coming in. You don't see it yet, but you will. You see all these cars speeding to the left. I'm anticipating someone shifting lanes, cutting off. I'm just keeping my space. And you want to stay smooth and deliberate. I'm looking ahead, knowing that the temperature is 16 degrees. We're below freezing, and we're in North America, so we use Fahrenheit. And you got to really be careful about how you drive. The treads on the tires, they're about 80%. So I want to move deliberately, move smoothly, and just take my time. I'm looking at cars. I call it speed, space, and smile. You want to have great speed. You want to have good space, and you want to keep a smile, because this type of weather is a little bit white-knuckling, and it is a little bit stressful. Don't let someone tell you, oh, you're just driving and it's okay. No, I'm taking my time. I'm at about 65 now, and people are just leaving me. So what does that tell you? They are going too fast for the conditions on the road. So let's review. I'm a state certified instructor. I need you to subscribe to the channel. See how they cut me off? Really dangerous. And if this brings you value, give it a thumbs up. I want you to learn something and comment. Bridges freeze first. So I want to say thank you. I hope you enjoy this, and give me some comments and feedback. Bye.